Joining us now from Piper Sandler Global Exchange and Trading Conference is Cantor Fitzgerald Chairman and CEO Howard Lutnick, alongside our own CNBC's Bob Pisani.
Morgan, good to see you. Of course, always we're here at the Piper Sandler Global Exchange Conference, talking with one of the leaders of the exchanges that are out there, and of course the trading platforms. Howard Lutnick, GBC's partner, CEO. Good to see you as always. Talk a little bit about what the outlook is for the markets in the next 6 months. We've got the macro setup heading into the back half of the year. What's your thoughts on that? Give us a little thoughts on where we might go and the volatility we might be expecting in the next few months.
All right, so in December and January, everyone was talking about 6 or 7 rate cuts. And I thought that was a ha-ha, as in, okay, that's funny. I mean, the Fed doesn't come to the party late and leave early. Come on, they're slow moving, steady and slow. So I thought the right term then, and I think of it now, steady Eddie. Okay, steady. Basically one cut in September. Nothing coming in the next couple of days. One cut in September showing off. Why? They're running off the balance sheet. That's a tightening idea. I mean, think about it. The Fed's buying less. They're saying, I'm a seller. You spend the money. That's Fed tightening. So they cut a little, they tighten a little, they're doing nothing, which is another way to say, just keeping it steady. One cut in September, that's all you got this year. A little showing off before the election, but that's all you get.
You don't need to show off before the election. You don't need to be involved in appearing that you're getting involved in the election. You seem to be making a political point.
Oh, they're going to make a political point. Look, you're at the Fed. You want to keep your job? Come on, you help the guy who's there now, keep his job. Maybe he'll keep you in place. So one cut in September. Is it supposed to be political? Is it not? If there's a cut in September, is it political? Oh, come on. Of course it's political.
My colleague John has got a question. John.
Actually, I'm going to take it, Bob. Howard, it's great to have you on. It's good to see you. Because you just said it. There have been reports, right, about fundraising. You've been co-hosting some fundraising efforts for Trump. We know that this does seem to be a key moment. A growing list of high-profile investors and entrepreneurs are throwing their support behind the different candidates. But in particular, Trump right now, it seems, ahead of this election later in the year. How does it speak to this moment we're in and this moment specifically with policy?
Well, look, I don't really get into politics that much. There are lots of people on Wall Street who are making their decisions now, which way to go. Remember, it's only Trump versus Biden. You only got 2 choices. So lots of people are going to pick one versus the other. Look, the stock market's doing great. So President Biden gets to say the stock market's doing great. President Trump gets to say, the border makes no sense. And regulation makes no sense. So it's a horse race and it's a foot race. Lots of people are going to put their bets out there. And, obviously it's been reported that I've been raising money and backing Donald Trump. But that's just my opinion. There's lots of people going both ways. And it's going to be a horse race if there ever was one.
So you are at this exchange and trading conference. You're standing up the FMX exchange to take on the CME and futures and derivatives trading. We also got news this week about a Texas stock exchange. It seems like some of the same backers between both of these exchanges as well. But why is this a moment for disruption with the current duopoly in stocks, the monopoly in commodities and futures trading? We've seen these attempts in the past. Why is now the moment where that can actually break through?
All right, so BGC Group has been working on this for a long time. So we rolled out our Treasuries platform. That's called FMX, U.S. Treasuries. And that's been growing 1 or 2 market share points per quarter. So fourth quarter, we had 26% market share. First quarter, 28% market share. Then 10 of the largest banks. So the Texas thing is just 2 players, and we can talk about that. They're playing with each other. But this is 10 of 10. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, BAML, Citi. I mean, the cast of characters, Jump, Citadel, everybody who matters, partnering with us to take on the monopoly of the CME. So I think the time is now because our systems are doing great. They're already installed. Fully approved CFTC. I think it's coming. I think exchange, competition in futures is coming. and it's called FMX, and it's owned by BGC Group, BGC. I'm just pumped up about it.
Okay.
And being at this exchange, what's more fun about that?